Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, and today we're going to talk about the 3 ways you can use call recordings. Recordings are a must-have in any paper call campaign. Use recordings for compliance purposes or to evaluate sales agents' performance. You can set up recordings straight from the campaign or when using an IVR from the dial node. You can even set up a max recording length so you can record the beginning of a conversation without catching any sensitive information that usually occurs when a sales transaction takes place. Compliance is the monitoring of marketing and promotional methods to make sure they meet your client's brand guidelines. With Ringba software, you can use call recordings for compliance purposes or to evaluate sales agents' performance. It's essential that you have quality salespeople on the phone because they'll be better at getting sales out of people that others aren't. Your duration efforts go up, then your payout average goes up. You can listen to call recordings to see if the agents are generally positive. If they're not, or a specific agent is usually not favorable, track it, save the call recording, and then send them to the buyer. Tell them that this is unacceptable. It's hurting your business and their business. By giving feedback to your partners, you're ultimately helping them build a more successful business. You can set up recordings straight from the campaign or when using an IVR on the dial node. And you can set a max recording length so you can record from the beginning of a conversation without catching any sensitive information that usually occurs when a sales transaction takes place. To review and listen to your recordings, go to Reporting and select the recording you would like to hear. You can play, pause, and fast forward, all while navigating through reporting as you'd like. If you'd like to learn more about Ringba's call recording capabilities, email sales@ringba.com. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.